Getting back to the car. Back to the car.
How did you not stop?
Getting back to the car. Get back to the car.
Let's go back to the body, back to the
Can we get the car up here, please?
Where's the vehicle? It's on its way now.
Look at him fucking idiot on the way to Watch this!
Shut up. Sean.